Good Monday afternoon, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet 1 forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari, continuing to deal with quite a bit of heavy rain and moving through the Brazos Valley. However, for many, rainfall amounts have gradually decreased, which has allowed many flash flood warnings to expire across the Brazos Valley. The only exception has been the one in Lee County. That one has been extended until 2 o'clock this afternoon. Also, we did have a flood advisory in Washington County that also expired at 12:30. Again, the rest of us just dealing with pockets of not only scattered showers but embedded thunderstorms, some of which are bringing pockets of very heavy rain and cloud-to-ground lightning. So that is something we'll be monitoring from here on out as these showers do continue to back build. As one round of thunderstorms leave and try to head up to the northeast, another round continue to build in from the south and to the southwest. The biggest area we're going to be watching right now is out in LaGrange. That thunderstorm is gradually starting to extend up now through Giddings. So Lee County not only dealing with that flash flood warning as of right now, but also looking to see a lot more heavy rain head that direction and possibly even now into the southwestern and the western portions of the Brazos Valley. Continuing those thunderstorm chances as we go through the rest of today, and due to the fact that some folks have already seen up to 3 to 5 inches and an additional 2 to 4 are expected between today and tomorrow, that has prompted a flash flood watch for the majority of the Brazos Valley. You can see here on this satellite and radar loop how those scattered showers and thunderstorms moved in from the northwest towards the southeast early this morning through the overnight hours and early this morning, however, kind of gradually falling apart and literally just stalling over the Brazos Valley, which allowed that line to turn much more into now scattered activity and continuing just to build in a lot of that moisture out of the south as well, in addition to the fact that we have that disturbance trying to swing in from the west that will keep things very saturated between today, tomorrow, and even the days to follow. Going through your pinpoint forecast, we're continuing that scattered rain chance and isolated storm chance throughout the rest of today, about a 60% chance of the afternoon hours, so some folks may get a brief break or two. However, making our way to the evening hours and even possibly through overnight into Tuesday morning, there is still another round of some possibly scattered to heavy rainfall that we will be dealing with. Some models in particular are trying to drag that activity just to the south of the Brazos Valley or to the southern half of the area. Regardless, there will still be that chance that heavier rain could pose, again, a threat and maybe even prompt a few flash flood warnings as we make our way towards this evening, overnight, and tomorrow morning. So that is what we're going to watch out for, and that's also why the majority of the area is under a flash flood watch. I think temperatures will struggle now to even make their way towards the 80s. If anything, we're likely to stay in the 70s. Some folks in our northern counties stuck possibly in the upper 60s. So that cloud cover remaining very stubborn, and again, not seeing too much of a warm up. It's just going to be mild, muggy, and very rainy over the next several days. So definitely want to stay weather aware, and remember not to try to drive through any flooded roadways. We are going to be seeing quite a bit of heavy rain hanging around the Brazos Valley over the next couple of days. Flooding will be a concern, our main concern, and then occasionally will be that isolated thunderstorm chance, some of which could reach strong to maybe even severe levels for today. Of course, something else we'll be monitoring as well. Until then, make sure you stay tuned to KBTX for weather updates all day long. We'll be here to keep you updated.